Coming up, I'm going to be talking you through a huge Disney Primark haul. I got so many fun, fabulous things, so keep watching to find out what I got. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you through a huge Disney Primark haul. I'm obsessed with Primark, I'm obsessed with Disney, so the two of them together is like my favourite combination. I did a huge Primark haul. I actually did an in-store vlog recently, so you can check that out if you haven't seen it already. And some of the pieces in there are Disney pieces and I wanted to talk you through them now in this haul video. I have so much fun stuff. If you like these videos, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, of course, give me a big thumbs up and comment below if you like this sort of content and if you'd like to see me doing more of like this on the channel. And please do let me know. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. First up, you have my fabulous top that I'm actually wearing at the moment. It is, of course, a Mickey Mouse one. You can see this gorgeous little Mickey Mouse in a love heart here. I picked it up because I just thought it was really cute. It wasn't really childish, more kind of a grown-up Mickey Mouse tee. You've got the red and white stripe, you've got the classic Mickey Mouse there, and this was only €8, so I thought I'd pop it on today for this Disney haul so you guys can see it. So I suppose there's a try-on haul as well, you could say. It's really nice. The camera doesn't really do it that good justice because it's kind of striped and it's hard to kind of see it properly on the camera, but yeah, it's really nice. I love it and it's great for summer. So this is the first item at €8, an absolute bargain for a Mickey Mouse t-shirt. So next up in my haul video, what will I show you? I got this at the till and I'm a sucker for making purchases at the till. I always do this, and when I saw it I said I had to have it in my life because I'm obsessed with anything chip related. It is, of course, Chip from Beauty and the Beast, and he is everywhere in Primark at the moment. You may have seen him popping up in other places, in other Disney Primark hauls that I have done, and I thought this reusable bag was not only amazing because of course it's Chip and you've got Beauty and the Beast, you've got all the little characters there, you've got the roses as well, and not only because it's so cute but because it's actually quite large. It is quite a big reusable bag. Look at that, there's literally like I could pop my whole I could pop like half of my body in there, seriously. It's so large and I love big bags like this because, you know, if I'm getting ready in my boyfriend's house or my friend's house and I want to bring all my stuff like my makeup, my straighteners, everything like that, then a bag like this is definitely needed. So instead of bringing like 2-3 small bags, this is going to be perfect to pop like 10 shoe options or something for a night out in here when I'm going to my friend's house or whatever. But yeah, it's really big, and for only €3 I thought that was really good value, and I'll have it in my car all the time to use in the supermarket or whatever else, and you can't really go wrong with these type of bags. And of course Chip is just so adorable. I love him on anything, so I just had to get this when I saw it. So that is the second item in my Disney haul. Okay, so next up it is these really cute 101 Dalmatian slippers. I had to pick them up because when I saw the price tag they were reduced to €3 and I just couldn't leave them behind. Although 101 Dalmatians wouldn't be my favorite Disney film or stuff that's themed like that, I kind of like, but you know, I'd go more towards the princess stuff or maybe Beauty and the Beast, that sort of thing. But I just had to get them because for €3 they're reduced from 6 to 3, sorry. I really couldn't leave them behind. It says 101 Dalmatians, you've got the red sole on the inside, and you've got lovely kind of like, yeah, they're actually not bad for €3. Nice hard sole in them, so you know they're going to last you a little while. And I just thought they were really cute. My friend actually is obsessed with 101 Dalmatians, so when I saw them I said I'm going to get them for her because she really loves dogs, and 101 Dalmatians is probably one of her favourites. So I said these are a perfect little gift for my friend and she'll be absolutely delighted. She won't be expecting them at all. And I just thought they were gorgeous. I am a huge fan of dogs. I really love dogs, don't get me wrong. I don't have anything against 101 Dalmatians. I just have a few other Disney characters that I probably prefer a little bit more. But moving on to the next item, I saved the best for last, and I have a few more bits here that are honestly so amazing. I can't believe I found them in pennies. The next one is this fabulous Marie pajama top. It could be, of course, used as a normal top to wear throughout the day, whatever you want, you know, no one would ever know, because it's really sweet. It's got the Marie print down here, and she's actually has like a glitter kind of overlay all over her, so she's really nice and sparkly and cute and gorgeous. And she's got a little bow here out of some tulle as well, which is kind of like a 3D effect on the top. Then up here you have gorgeous embroidery. It actually looks way more expensive than it is. It says creme de la creme, and then you've got the little milk bottles up here. It's all really cute. You've got little pink details in them, really sweet. And yeah, I just thought I had to have this. They actually have matching pajama bottoms, so I think the next time I go in I'll get them. I didn't know whether to get them or not, but I'm definitely, after looking at this for a second time, I need to have the matching pajama bottoms. And this was only €8, and they actually have so many Marie pajamas. You may have seen that in my in-store Primark vlog. So many Marie pajamas, literally overflowing with Marie stuff, and she is my favourite. I love her so much, and I just thought this was really cute. I love the little ruffle detail. The two little ruffles on the sleeves as well is so gorgeous, absolutely fabulous. A little Marie tag there on the side. Primark, I like all the details. They're just killing it with the details, particularly the Harry Potter stuff as well. So much detail in them. I absolutely love it. Next up, it is one of my favourite pieces of the haul. You may have seen this on my Insta stories as a little sneak peek to what was coming up in this video, and it is, of course, the Bambi and Thumper mugs. It's a mug set. You've got the 2-pack ceramic mugs, and these were only €7. Can you believe it? So literally $3.50 a mug. You wouldn't get that anywhere else. Literally the pound shop, you'd probably get something similar, but it wouldn't be to this quality and this gorgeous kind of like detail here. It almost looks like it's hand painted and hand drawn on. I love the colours. It actually says Bambi and Thumper above them as well, and they're just a really nice size mug, and I love mugs. I'm obsessed with Disney mugs. In my recent huge Disney collection video, I went through all of my Disney mugs, so now I've got 2 more to add to the collection, and for only €7. How amazing is that? So now for the last item of my haul, and probably my most favourite. I'm so glad I got this. And they literally have so many different varieties of these in pennies at the moment. What could I be talking about? Only Disney purses. Yes, so the chip purse was the first famous kind of Disney Primark purse, you could say. It was all over the place. Everyone was obsessed with getting it. And then, of course, they introduced like the wardrobe. They've got a little Winnie the Pooh honey one. And then I saw this one, and this is, of course, to go along with their new collection, which is all Aladdin related. There's like genie lamps, there's like genie pajamas, and this is just so gorgeous. I love the gold. I love the detail of the handle and the spout, and of course you've got the little genie popping out of the top there as well. And actually a lot of space inside to store your bits and bobs, whatever it might be, your coins or your earrings, or you can think of so many uses for this. And I just love the way it stands up by itself as well. And this was €8, so actually the same price as the t-shirt. So you can get a fabulous purse, or you can get something that you can wear all week long if you like, and be in this Disney spirit. But yeah, that's it. That's the last item of my Disney Primark haul. I got so many fun goodies, and of course, as I said, you can check out me going around the Primark store in my recent in-store vlog to see me picking up some of these items and some other fabulous summer pieces that I picked up as well. But if you've enjoyed watching this video, please do let me know. Give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below, and of course hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you again real soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.